Hello friends, today I'll walk you through how to get started on the BLOFIN crypto exchange, how to register quickly, claim an exclusive bonus, set up your security, fund your account, buy Bitcoin, and withdraw your funds. Let's not waste any time. Here's a step-by-step guide to registration. Once you follow the link in the description, you'll land on BLOFIN's official website. Here, enter your email, create a secure password, and don't forget to apply the promo code CP6969. Confirm that you agree to the terms and conditions. Click the button to create your account. Now check your inbox. You'll receive an email with a verification code. Enter that code on the site and your account will be activated. With our promo code CP6969, you'll unlock a unique bonus offer. Deposit $100 or more into your futures account, get a $15 bonus. Deposit $500 or more, receive a $75 bonus. Deposit $1,000 or more, enjoy a $150 bonus. And if you deposit $2,000 or above, you'll score the maximum bonus of $300. Only the amount transferred directly into your futures account counts, and only if it hasn't been withdrawn afterward. Bonuses are credited within 2 days after the promo ends and remain active for 7 days from the moment you receive them. You can trade with them like regular funds, and whatever you earn is yours to keep. However, the bonus itself cannot be withdrawn. This offer is exclusive to new users who register using our promo code, and only the first 100 participants will get in. Quick heads up. We've launched a Telegram channel featuring a market monitoring AI agent. There you'll find the most important news, fresh analytics, and trading ideas. Plus, there's a live chat with traders, and very soon members will get access to their own AI assistant. Follow the links in the description and become our partner today. Now, a very important step. Enable two-factor authentication 2FA right away. To do this, head to your profile dashboard, locate the security section, and enable Google Authenticator. Copy the provided key, then download the Google Authenticator app. Tap the plus icon in the app and paste the key you copied earlier. Make sure to save that key. It will help you restore access if your phone ever gets lost. Now let's talk about verification. On BLOFIN, KYC is optional, which is a major advantage of the platform. However, if you want full access to all features and higher withdrawal limits, you can complete the KYC process. To do this, go to your account settings, select the verification section, fill in your personal details, upload a photo of your passport or driver's license, and complete facial recognition. Once your account is verified, you'll see a green check mark and your daily withdrawal limit will jump to 1 million USDT. Without verification, the limit remains at 20,000 USDT per day. BLOFIN is a modern crypto exchange that's been growing rapidly since 2023. All client funds are stored in cold wallets, providing robust protection. BLOFIN holds licenses and maintains partnerships with major players in the industry. The platform consistently handles over $100 million in daily trading volume. It offers leverage up to X150, allowing users to expand their position size and boost potential profits. BLOFIN's fees are low compared to other exchanges, just 0.1% on spot trades and 0.02% on futures. In fact, BLOFIN's fees are generally 20% lower than most leading exchanges. On the security side, the exchange collaborates with trusted partners, such as Fireblocks and Chainalysis, ensuring safe storage and transaction monitoring. Overall, BLOFIN is a secure and user-friendly platform for crypto trading, especially ideal for those who value speed and reliability. And as mentioned earlier, the biggest advantage in my opinion is the absence of mandatory identity verification, KYC. You can trade anonymously as if you were using a decentralized wallet. Let's move on to funding your account. The first method, if you already own crypto, go to the wallet or asset section, hit deposit and choose USDT. Next, select the transfer network, for example, TRC20, known for its low fees and fast speed. Copy your BLOFIN wallet address and send funds from your cold wallet or another exchange. Always double check that the sending network matches the receiving network. Otherwise, your funds could be lost. Aside from crypto transfers, you can also buy digital assets with a bank card via the Buy Crypto button on the homepage. BLOFIN supports Visa, MasterCard, Google Pay, and Apple Pay. Each transaction includes a fee clearly shown before you confirm the payment. The second method is through an online exchanger via BestChange. Click the link in the description to visit BestChange, a platform that aggregates trusted online exchangers. On the left, choose the currency you want to pay with, like your local currency. On the right, select what you want to receive, for example, USDT, TRC20. You'll see a list of exchangers and their exchange rates. Pay attention to their reserves and reviews. On the exchanger side, enter how much USDT you want to receive, paste your crypto wallet address, and fill in your contact info, usually your email or phone number. The site will show you the payment details, where to send your money. The exchange process usually takes 5 to 30 minutes. Once completed, you'll see the crypto appear on your exchange balance. Now let's break down how to buy crypto on spot. Start by going to the wallet section, find your asset, USDT, click transfer, and choose the direction. From funding to spot, confirm the transfer. Now you're ready to enter the trading section and select spot. In the top search bar, type BTC USDT and select the trading pair. You'll see the trading terminal window appear. On the right, you'll find the order form. If you want to buy at the current market price, choose a market order, enter the amount in USDT, and click buy. If you prefer to set your own price, choose a limit order, enter your desired price and amount. The order will be filled once the market reaches your specified price. Once the purchase is complete, the crypto will show up in your spot balance. Now let's cover how to withdraw funds. The first method, sending crypto to another exchange or wallet. Go to the wallet or assets section and click withdraw. Enter the recipient's address, select the network and the amount. Confirm the operation using two-factor authentication, 2FA, and the verification code sent to your email. Always double check the address and network. This is crucial to avoid losing funds. The second method, via an online exchanger. Head over to the familiar BestChange platform. It's just like the deposit process, but in reverse. You'll figure it out in no time. So that wraps up our guide on BLOFIN. We've covered how to register quickly, claim your exclusive bonus, set up security, fund your account, buy Bitcoin, and withdraw your funds. All in all, BLOFIN is a modern platform with an intuitive interface and the essential tools for trading and investing in crypto. Don't forget to enter promo code CP6969 when signing up to grab those first-time deposit bonuses. And be sure to join our Telegram channel for exclusive insights and updates. If this content was helpful, don't forget to subscribe, give it a like, and drop your comment below. Wishing you all massive profits.